Hi there, I want to show you how to do a chatbot with Langflow. For do that, I will working in my Windows local machine. If you want to replicate this work, you need to install firstly Python and Ollama, and then you can run this command in order to get the Langflow thing and this model that I will use in my flow. To start, I wanted to give a blank flow and I will search for every component that we need. The first component is the knowledge that are in the flow. I will use these read files to add the files that I want to read. I will use the same files that I am using in the test with 99 and Flowise, that is about the graphic cards. Also we need the split test and the chroma db, because we here need to store these in vectors, the parsing to get the data frames from the database and inject it into a prompt template, and finally we need the LLM, that is the Ollama component. And finally we need also the vectorization thing, that is the embeddings from the Ollama, and the chat. In this part the chat is are really, I don't know, not the standard thing, because you need a chat input and a chat output. Okay, I start to uploading my data. This is a CSV, simple CSV. I connected to my split test and connected to the chroma db ingest data. I select the model. If you don't see, please refresh it, and I see here connect the embeddings to the chroma db and chat input with the search query. From the chroma db you need to change it to data frame to the and connect it to the parser in the data or data frame connector, and in the prompt you need to edit the text in order to get these variables visibles. In the user query you need to put the chat input, and in the prompt I will connect it in the input of the Ollama component. You need to select the model and I will test it, but I have here an error and is referred to the text splitter. You can see here that is the error, and you can change, or you need to change the text to the raw content in order to the text splits to working. And I can now test the whole thing completely with a simple hi, and the thing gives me an answer about the topic that I put in the CSV. And yeah, I can search a query for example, what is the best graphic card for AMD, and the AI said correctly that is that card that you see in the screen. So yeah, this is the simple chatbot with Langflow. Thank you for watching.